Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can bulk edit your YouTube videos using Tubebuddy. Please note this video is not sponsored by Tubebuddy. There are two ways how you can do it. Number one is by using Tubebuddy premium license, and number two is doing it manually using your existing Tubebuddy Pro license. So let's start the video. Log into your YouTube studio and go to content, and if you have already installed Tubebuddy, you will have this bulk and miscellaneous tool. Just click on the down arrow and select find and replace text. This will open a new interface. Enter the text you want to find and also enter the text you want to replace, and click on continue. Here you don't have to do anything, just click on continue once again. This will show you all the videos containing your text, and if you scroll down you will find the videos that does not have your text, so you don't have to worry about that. Just replace the videos that contain your text. If you have a Tubebuddy premium license, you can click on select all and edit it in 1 second. Since we don't have it, we have to do it manually. Just select the video and click on continue. And check on yes, do it, and click on next, and that's it. Let's do it once again. Select find and replace text and enter the text you want to find to replace, and enter your replace text and click on continue. Here you don't have to do any filtration, just click on continue, and this will give you all the videos. Just select the videos you want to replace the text and check on yes, do it, and click on continue. This will find and replace the text. You don't have to do it manually by visiting every video's description. You can use this to bulk editing tool. This procedure is same for both text and links. You can find and replace your text and your links using the same method. You can go and explore Tubebuddy's bulk editing tools, and if you want more videos on WordPress and digital marketing, you can check out my channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.